Hi, the question is construct a deterministic finite automata over input symbol a comma b in which all the string are of length less than equal to 2. So it should contain all the string which are less than equal to 2. So it may accept null symbol also. So first of all I will write the possible string here. So first symbol can be epsilon. So having length less than equal to 2. There can be null symbol also, that's why it can accept epsilon also. Single A, single B, A B, then B A, A B, A B is covered, then B B. So these are the string which are having length less than equal to 2. So if you will take for epsilon, then first state will be the final state for epsilon. Okay, so next is A. So length is less than equal to 2. So if we take for single A, then it is okay. Then if it will be also final state. Then if we take for single B, then also Q1 is the final state. Then for AB, so A and then it will go for B. So for AB, this is A is covered, B is covered. So this is the final state. Now for BA, so B and then we can write here A, then B B, okay, then A B B. So here you will find only 3 states, and that 3 state will be final state. Now if the string is AAA, so what will happen, we will go to one dead state here. So it is called a dead state, and we can write here AB, and then we can apply the loop of AB also. So now why it is written, suppose the string length is A triple AB, so A. So it is not a final state, it is dead state or trapped state. We cannot move forward and the string is not accepted. So when the string is accepted in DFA, when we reach to final state and when then there is no more symbol remaining, then you can say that the string is accepted. So this is the final DFA which accept the string of length less than equal to 2. So that's it for this video. Thank you.